Hey there, lovely Falls gang. How are you guys today? I'm sorry, my house is bright because I have my window open. Or not my window. I have... Why does this look so big? Okay. Because I have my curtains open. And I'm ready for my day. I'm off today. And it's actually really, put a belt on. It's actually really, really cold out. It's like 30 degrees today, guys. I'm really freaking starving. I'm like so hungry right now. I don't even know what to eat. And no, my shirt, if you're saying my shirt's too small, it's not. That's the way it was made. It's just made to show your chubby belly. I got it on Fashion Nova. You guys know what Fashion Nova is? If you don't know, go look. I don't have my belly ring on today. So yeah. Anyways, I got some of these hip peas. It's the nacho flavor. They're kind of like, they're vegan. There's no soy. It's like vegan cheese, you know. I got a little bit of makeup on today, not a lot, because I'm going out. And I gotta get a few things. Y'all, this is getting really fucking scary though. Sorry about the background noise. It's my, washer. Diet Coke. Excuse me. So, we finally got toilet paper today. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm nasty, I know. I've been cleaning. I've been doing laundry. I've been cleaning. It's like constant cleaning. Like the shit don't end. Like I'm constantly cleaning. I think they should close everything down. Not everything, but there's like germs and shit. They need to like eliminate people from jobs, you know? Work from home, be out of work. We don't know what people might have. I don't know where they've been. You know? It's stupid that you're gonna allow people to be around each other knowing they have fucking germs and they're spreading shit. It's bad. These are so good. I like the nacho flavor more than the white cheddar. I think I'm done. I'm trying to find something. I'm sorry if my butt's sticking out. Sorry if you can see a bunch of fat. Nah! Goodness. Are you guys watching my videos all the way through? I don't think you are. It helps me a lot when you guys thumbs it up. Share and retweet. Subscribe. Watch them all the way through. Because I didn't go ratings. I'm very... What's that word? I'm very consistent. And I just need you guys to watch them all the way through. I could tell if you do or not. Or you're not. Some of you are. I just want to come on really quick and let you guys know that I'm eating. I want to go out though. Try to stay in as much as you can. Wash your hands. Keep your hands clean. Keep your hands away from your fucking face. Don't put your fucking hands in your mouth. Try to avoid areas where there's a lot of people, because y'all don't want to catch that shit. I'm not gonna say the name. You guys know what I'm talking about. I had a video last night. I made vegan tacos, and I didn't like the way I looked in it because I'm like, I know people are gonna really judge me. I was like, I can't post this because people are gonna judge the shit out of me, and it kind of, you know, it sucks when people, excuse me, when people judge you. I mean, I don't really care, you know what I mean? Like, it's easy for me to not give a fuck. I have people judge me my whole life, and it just, I don't like to hear it all the fucking time, you know? And then all the people that are judging me are probably fucking pricks that are butt fucking ugly and fat as fuck. Nothing against fat people, because I'm a fat ass myself. But I'm just saying, they probably are like grosser than I am behind closed doors. And grosser because they don't even have fucking pictures posted. You know what I mean? So yeah. This sweater is so comfy. It's like a soft, furry type material. Excuse me. I'm gonna tell you guys something really quick. A lot of people don't believe me. I'm 31 years old, right? And in my entire life, I've only had 3 boyfriends. 2 of them didn't last very long. The 3rd time it lasted a while. And I was not allowed to date when I was younger. And people have been asking me this all the time. And they don't believe me when I tell them. Yes, I've only had 3 fucking boyfriends. I was not allowed to date. My mom was very strict when I was growing up. Our culture is very different. Same thing goes for my cousins that are closer to me. They weren't allowed to date as well. Look how wide I look. Yeah, we weren't allowed to date, have boyfriends, or any of that. We weren't allowed to wear makeup or any of that. I didn't have a boyfriend. Also, I could have snuck behind their backs, but I didn't because I was more into like other shit, like going to the library, doing boxing, and just being a lazy kid, you know. So I didn't like the boys that I was around because all throughout my elementary years and junior high, and then even on to high school, I was fucking bullied. Like, I was seriously fucking bullied. Excuse me. I was really, really bullied. And the boys were so mean. I hated boys. I didn't like boys. I never wanted a boyfriend. They turned me the fuck off. And, excuse me. They turned me off. I'm gonna go in my room because it is so fucking bright in my... I gotta put some powder and shit on. So, I was like... always around guys, always around boys. I have 2 brothers. My older brother always had male boys around. Male boys. You know what the fuck a male is? They got a dick, right? Okay, so he always had his friends around and try to flirt and shit. Little fucking retarded boys, you know. And I would get mad because I would tell him, can you please tell them not to pick on me? Can you please tell them to leave me alone? So he would tell them leave me alone. Because they would always try to flirt and shit. Excuse me. And so one day, I was like, we had one of these big trampoline type things. Where we had like a trampoline, you know. And I went out there. I was out there and there was this boy that was coming over and he liked coming to see my brother, one of his friends. So this fucking kid, he comes over and he takes his, I look up because I'm sitting there reading a book, right? I'm reading a book. He comes over and I look up and he's aiming his fucking gun at me like that. And I got so scared. I'm like, what the fuck? And boom, he shot me in my fucking arm. That fucking kid shot me in my arm. The BB did not go through, but it hurt like a motherfucker. It stung. And it was, my arm swelled up. And it was like a welt. And it was like bruised and red and purple and fucking gross. Why is this turning? Guys, I'm sorry if this is so blurry. I think it's like greasy. Hold on. Okay, that's a little bit better. So he shot me in my fucking arm, right? And I was so traumatized. And I was so mad. I got off and I ran to the bathroom. My mom was at home because my mom worked odd hours. Like, she would be working like 3 to 11, which left us home a lot by ourselves. And she would always like make us dinner and stuff before she left. But we never really saw my mom, so that sucked. You know, single parent, gotta make a living, you know what I'm saying? So it fucking sucked because I never got to see my mom as much as I wanted to. But now I'm making up for lost time. This fucking kid shot me in my fucking arm. I wanted to beat his ass. The same kid, he's probably watching. I don't care. I'm over that shit by now. But that was some fucked up shit you did. And then my arm is okay. I'm glad that the fucking little BB thing didn't go through my arm. And it was bruised for a long time. And I never told my mom. I never told anybody I hit it. And the boy thought he was being cute and stuff. Another time we got into a fight, me and him. We got into a fight in my bedroom and he fucking stepping all over me, like standing on me, stepping on me. And I was so mad. Like, I was like fighting back. Like, we was throwing fucking punches at each other. Like, we was hitting each other. I was fucking wailing on him and punching him, doing everything I could. He was older than me. I was like 11 and he was like 15. And he fucking gave me one shot to my fucking eye. Boom! Right in my eye, and I saw a white light, and I was out. Like, I got back up, but I had like a bloodshot eye, and it was black. So he gave me a black eye and thought it was funny. And I was like mad because I'm like, how am I going to explain this to my mom? And me not being able to wear makeup, I couldn't hide it. I just told her I tripped and fell, but she knew somebody had hit me, and it was him. I had to go to school like that. My teachers always wonder, like, they always worry, like, why do you have a black eye? You know, my mom told them she has a black eye and she doesn't want to come to school. And I think my mom kind of talked to her and told her that one of the boys and me were fighting. And no, that shit's not fucking cool. So I hated him after that. Like, I did not like that fucking kid. He was being a little asshole, like, later on too. And I'm like, fucking dickhead, you know? Then, that was like when I was in 6th grade. I had to go to school with a fucking black eye. So, yeah. And then, another boy, thought he was being cute. A couple of them, they would have these knives. These fucking sharp-ass fucking knives. And they would sit there and fucking go like this to me with a knife and scare me. I was terrified of knives. I don't like knives, you know. And I thought it was fucked up because I'm like, dude, like, don't be trying to cut. He cut me with the fucking knife, like, on my hands. Like, he cut my hands all up. And it pissed me off, but I couldn't do anything because he had the knife, you know. And I was upset because I'm like, who do I tell that this fucking kid is like cutting me up with these fucking knives trying to be cute? So I hated boys. Then like when I was like in high school and stuff, I used to sit by myself at the lunch table. Sometimes I'd eat, sometimes I wouldn't. I would always try to bring my own food. I used to eat rice cakes for lunch, you know? Apple, cinnamon, rice cakes. So, one time these boys were like throwing shit at the tables. One of them threw food at me and hit me with it. And then I thought, you little fucking dickhead. Then another kid threw something at me and hit me with that. It was a fucking hacky sack. He probably watches my videos, you little fucker. You know who you are. I have nothing against you though. You was a dumb little kid. So yeah, they threw something. I kept that shit. He's like, can I please have it back? I'm like, fuck you, you motherfucker. Fuck you and fuck your hacky sack, bitch. This is my shit now. Fuck you. You know? I always feel like I had to spend most of my life defending myself. So that's why I never had a boyfriend, because boys were so cruel and evil to me. And it's because they thought I was pretty and because they liked me and because I looked different. I stood out compared to the rest of the girls. I looked different and all that, you know. I was light skinned and fly, you know what I'm saying? I had different body type, you know. Anyways, yeah, so even the girls, like there's still girls to this day who fucking hated me and would make up rumors about me saying, oh, she makes herself throw up this. No, bitch, that's my body type. You ever saw my father? He's very tall and very fucking skinny. And I was very fucking tall and very fucking skinny back in the day. So no, I never made myself throw a fuck up. And then other girls, you know, they would just hate me for whatever fucking reason. They never fucking said, but they didn't even know me. They never spent time with me. They didn't know shit about me, which was retarded because I'm like, you guys don't even know me. You guys might actually like me if you talk to me. But they didn't, you know? Look at my lips, they're chapped. So yeah, I've been hated on my whole life. So now as I'm older, I'm 31, it doesn't fucking faze me. I don't give a fuck if you hate me. I don't care if you talk behind my back. I've been dealing with this shit my entire life. So you can go kiss my motherfucking ass. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, retweet, share. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter is linked in the description below. Watch my videos all the way through. I love you guys so much. Talk to you soon in my next video, guys. Mwah, bye.